Hi everyone, my name is Alex Ryan. Today's topic is what are the hottest products to dropship? Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So if you're looking to dropship, you may be wondering, what do I sell? What do I dropship? There are many ways to find out what to dropship. The best way is actually doing what we call keyword research. Find out what people are typing into Google. And if you type in the keyword, I think it's Google Keyword Selector Tool. That's one way. There's other services out there that do keyword research. But what it tells you is how many people are searching for that product on the average month. So what are people searching for? How many searches for it, right? Because it tells you, they'll give you a rough idea on roughly how popular that product is. So number one tip, Google Keyword Selector Tool, right? There's other keyword tools out there that enable you to do this as well, but that's just one of them. Second one, find out what is Amazon's top 50 products, right? What is Amazon's top 50 products? And if you go to Amazon, it will tell you there. If you Google it, I'm sure it'll tell you later as well. Find out what are the top 50 products right now being sold on Amazon. And you can either do a couple of things with that. You can either import that same product, or you can import products that support that product, right? So you can find products if people are buying, Barbies. Well, what about doll houses? So if Barbies are really, or dolls are very, popular, then doll houses and doll clothes and doll little shoes and all that sort of stuff. Dolls got to have a little pony as well, so import those, right? Or if it's football gear, people are typing in, or soccer or whatever, gridiron, right? People are typing that kind of stuff in, they're buying that. Well, they're going to need jerseys and shin pads and shoulder pads and mouth guards and all that sort of stuff. They've got to protect their pearly whites after all. So guys, think about what products, if they're the top 50 products, what products can you import to support that product? And I actually just did that, which I mean it as supporting a house, not supporting, so that's number 3, products that support that those hot selling products. Now, what are some other ways? Go to the Canton Fair. That's really good, guys. Canton Fair is in Guangzhou. It's done twice a year, usually April and October. This year it's mid-October. October 15th, 2018 to November, the first week of November. And they do it 3 phases. So they've got a phase on construction and materials. They've got one on clothing, and they've got other ones on technology. It is huge. If you're looking for a product idea, join me at the Guangzhou Fair, right? Or the Canton Fair. It's actually called Import-Export Fair now. But I actually go over there and I help people choose their hot products. I walk around with my clients, and usually it's a group of us, 2 or 3 of us, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes less. And we have people organize everything. They organize our hotel. You can get your own hotel if you want. But I'm there every single year. I'm there, usually both fairs as well. But give us a call. The number's on the screen right there, 02-8003-7534. I'm going this year, but it's going to be a great fair. There's a lot of hot products there. If you're looking for something to drop ship, if you're looking for a product to import from China, go to the Canton Fair. You'll get a million ideas. Now, sometimes it's a good thing to get a million ideas, but sometimes it's also a bad thing. But I'm heading over there, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this today's tip. We've got a free video program showing you how to import from China at our website. Visit our website today and give us a call. If you're looking to start an online business and you're looking for a product to sell, if you want coaching, you want guidance, work with me. We're looking for people right now, 3 people right now, to closely mentor over the next 12 to 24 months. My name is Alex Ryan, guys. Thanks for joining in today. Happy importing. Talk to you real soon.